Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to your Blogger. So first of all, you want to log into your GoDaddy and have this address of your domain. And now we're going to go to Blogger. So when you are on your blog, you want to go ahead to the settings here and scroll down until you see publishing, and you will see custom domain. So you want to click on it and enter the domain name. We just copy it and you're gonna click save. And we need to wait a little bit. Now I just went ahead to a different blog because I have already approved my verification with another domain, but to approve this one, as you can see, they were not able to verify my authority. So what you need to do is you have to go to GoDaddy now, or any other site. Basically, you need to go to GoDaddy and enter these DNS settings on your domain. So don't look at it like this domain is from Namecheap, but we're gonna use it for this video. So you're gonna go to DNS settings and enter these CNAME records. So you're gonna go here, you're gonna click on DNS, and after that you're gonna enter the DNS records. So and now you will just basically click add a record, click on CNAME, and after that you're gonna enter those, like name is www, destination is this one, and you just basically enter everything here. And you're gonna save it. Again, you're gonna go ahead and enter this name like so, and the destination would be this one like so, and you just basically click on save and add it. And after that, after a few minutes, this will be verified and you will be able to save it.